Hi, I'm Garrett Baker, Vice President of Baker Liturgical Art. So we're doing a full interior renovation of the church here, including all new marble tile and porcelain tile throughout the nave and sanctuary, new doors, new stained glass windows, new statues, new sound system, new lighting. So when we were doing the job down the road here at San Jose Catholic Church, we were looking for a demo crew to come in and help us take out that floor. And that's when we came across advanced flooring removal. They do such a good job at keeping the project clean as they go. They have air filters that keep the dust down to a minimum. It helps keep everything that's staying throughout the project looking nice and neat. Because advanced flooring keeps their job site so clean, it's so easy to maneuver around the job site. It makes us feel comfortable bringing in the priest and other people on the committee to take a look at the job site throughout progress so they can get constant reports and see how we're doing. We've never had a negative experience, but this is one of the cleanest companies that we worked with, and we do jobs all throughout the country. We were worried about the amount of dust that would come up when we ripped up the carpet and all the tile floor, but thankfully advanced flooring did such a good job at keeping everything filtered and low and getting the vacuum vents to pull it all out. If you're looking for a flooring removal company, I recommend going with Advanced Flooring Removal. They just do such a clean, efficient job throughout the entire project.